Hi, thank you for joining my session today with me, Reno Nadiandi. And in this webinar, I will teach you how to create a social media content using Canva's Magic Design. For the first, we have to know why social media content matters. I think we all know that today is a social media era. So many people, so many business owners, so many content creators, so many designers, artists, and etc. using social media to grow their popularity, their business, or many more that and many purpose of these people. Okay, why social media content matters? First, to build brand awareness, and the second is to engage with your audience. And of course, every business owner wants to drive sales and growth. I think we all realize that there are so many problems when we have to create our own content for social media. Okay, so for example, we are a coffee shop owner. Of course, we have to manage the business, we have to manage the employee, we have to creative about the menu, and so many things we have to prepare day by day when we open our store, our shop. So where is the time to create the content? Okay. So the first problem is takes too much time. And as the business owner is not a designer, so the second problem is hard to stay consistent about the idea, about the time to produce, time to upload, many things. And designing feels overwhelming. Okay, so that's the problem. Luckily, we have Canva. Okay, now I will introduce you Canva's Magic Design. Magic Design is an AI-powered design suggestion based on your idea. Just with a small effort, you can make your own design. And then, how is Magic Design works? Before I explain these 3 points, I will share my experience. So I started designing since 2004. Before I met Canva, design is something that needs a long time, much time, and complex elements, complex thing to do, making lines, making shade, making shape, inserting images, editing images, and so many more. And the most problem is finding the images, finding the element. If you know Canva today, you can find so many graphic elements, so many photos element, and so many other things element, even video and audio. In my time, that time, that is so hard to get that. Okay. Now back to how Magic Design works. First, type your idea in the prompt box, of course. For example, you want to create Instagram post about a coffee shop, and then select the style that you like. I mean, when you type the prompt on the box and then submit it, Canva will gives you 4 different type of design, and you have to choose one of them, and then customize the design. And now I will show you how Magic Design works. Okay, now I will go to Home in Canva, and then you can see here your design templates and Canva AI. So choose Canva AI, click here, and then click here. I will type Instagram post for coffee shop. And then click design for me, click social media, choose the format. I will choose Instagram post and then click submit. Okay, let's wait while Canva is creating the designs for us. Sometimes I think it depends on the network maybe. All right, we Canva now show us several designs and let's see. Yes, it's four different designs. So I will choose this one. So now we have it. And then what's next? After we get that design, we can customizing this design. We can replace images, we can edit the text, and also apply our brand colors. Okay, now let's customize the design that I choose. Or back here. For example, I want to change this photo. Just click here. I want to change this photo to a picture or photo of some people that drinks coffee. So I will tap here, friends enjoying coffee. Enter. And let's see, there are so many images here. I will choose this one. Okay, now I will change the second photo. Just click here. I have my own photo, so I will upload it. Click upload and then choose file. It will go to your download folder. I will open my folder and then I will change with this one. Click here and click open. And now we have it. Now I will change the text. You can change the text here. For example, I will type here coffee and friends are forever. And then click this check icon. Okay. Let's say this is your own quote. So type here the name of your coffee shop. For example, coffee, coffee, and click here. So you have changed the photo and change the text. And then you can also change the color. Click here. And then choose your palette. For example, I will choose this one. Okay, and if you click again, it will change or you can change the other. Okay, I think I will choose this one. All right. And if you want to edit more, just click here, use Canva editor. First, I will change the font. Click here and then I will click here to the font list and find your favorite font or your brand font. For example, I will choose this one. And then you can also change the elements here, use your own element or change the color of it. For example, I will change it to white like that. You can also click here and edit it so it will show three people. Double click again. I will move it here. All right. Or you can move here. And when you're finished with the design, click share and download and share to your social media. Okay, now it's your time to make it. Think of a social post idea for your brand and start designing now. All right, congratulations to all of you. You just made your first design using Canva's Magic Design. Again, congratulations. And now let's recap our webinar today. Why we use Magic Design. First, first thing first is this tool saves our time and then boost creativity and also keep content professional. All right, so thank you for joining this webinar. I hope you become more confident to create your own social media content for your own brand and whatever your purpose is. But this is just a beginning. Remember, consistency is the key. And with Canva, you don't have to spend hours to look professional. And again, thank you for joining this session. I hope it helps you. Keep designing and have fun with Canva.